Bilingual investing and breaking investing barriers. Jay here with you guys today. Today's video topic is about the benefits of fundamental analysis. Last week we discussed technical analysis, its importance, analyzing charts to analyze historical price action for a cryptocurrency, as well as attempting to predict future price action of a cryptocurrency. But today is all about the fundamental analysis. Let's go ahead and discuss what it is and the benefits that it offers an investor in their investment, decision-making process. So what is fundamental analysis? What are fundamental indicators? Why does fundamental analysis matter? So fundamental analysis, FA, is the study of anything that can affect the cryptocurrency's intrinsic value, from macroeconomic and geopolitical factors such as the state of the global economy and industry-specific conditions to microeconomic factors such as the effectiveness of the coin's back-end management. These FA indicators evaluate industry-specific regulatory policy, institutional adoption, individual project metrics, and blockchain performance. So let's go ahead and actually analyze those fundamental analysis indicators. Let's start with the regulatory one. Here we have crypto regulations around the world. So just some examples, some countries like the United States, Canada, most first world countries, require licensing, central bank currency projects. Some of them even require registration and licensing. That their requirements vary by country, so the ones that are clear here, they're unregulated. So again, like Argentina, for example, they don't require licensing, things of that nature. But, some of these, they're completely unregulated. Wild, wild west out here, in a sense, where there's no laws, no regulations with, regards to cryptocurrency investments and protecting investors. There's none of that, first world countries, they do offer that, but then, they also limit, like projects that certain investors can be exposed to, exchanges that they can or can't use, and just things of that nature. Now, when we go to institutional adoption, here's just a couple of examples where like Fidelity's CEO sees opportunities to buy on a dip. So they reaffirm that their crypto commitment in a bear market. So that's just an example of an institution that, is here to stay. And then we have BlackRock offers direct Bitcoin exposure. So, they're offering that to their customers. So, a year or two ago, institutions came, we had a very nice bull market, and they're here to stay, and this just solidifies cryptocurrency as an asset class. Then we also have individual project metrics. An example is Cardano, for example. You can analyze a couple where its volume, it's pretty large. It's a top 10 cryptocurrency. It's been around for what, 5 years, half a decade. That's plenty of time. You can also go to Twitter just briefly, 1.3 million followers. That's a lot. And then they have their white paper, anything you would need to analyze, the coin, and if it would be worthy of you putting your hard-earned money into it. And then we have, blockchain performance. So we can analyze that for Bitcoin. For example, here we see these are not, price action charts. They're more about fundamentals, transactions, amounts, addresses on the network, on chain, miner revenue, transaction fees, and things of that nature. When you analyze, all of these different fundamental charts, they provide, hash rate, Bitcoin supply activity. Here we can see that the fees usually are about just a couple of dollars for Bitcoin. We see what they rise on, in bull markets. So, you can analyze that. Just a lot of fundamental aspects of the Bitcoin blockchain. So that is very, very useful to understand in order to predict, future actual price action. So fundamental indicators are qualitative indicators based on asset quality, asset performance, and market sentiment. This includes general economic outlook for Forex, company reputation for stocks, or institutional integration for cryptos. Usually, FA indicators take more time in providing trading signals, causing cryptocurrency investors to usually emphasize more of their energy on TA over FA. Research is a foundational aspect of FA when investing into any cryptocurrency. Research is very important. It allows for an investor to have the necessary tools to properly measure the strength and weaknesses of any individual cryptocurrency. So that's basically the analysis of fundamental indicators, and we reviewed a couple of examples. But why does fundamental analysis matter? Well, fundamental analysis communicates global market behaviors and sentiments. FA at its core helps investors establish a fair market value for any cryptocurrencies. Both TA and FA matter. They intertwine with each other, and the best and most responsible investors in the world always make sure to implement both types of analysis into their investment strategies. Fundamental analysis truly matters because as humans, we live in a society where investors will always consider global economic, social, and political factors that affect the price assets outside of the charts. So again, guys, if you enjoyed today's content, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Jay here with you guys today. This content is not official financial advice. It was created exclusively for educational purposes only. Now let's briefly review our social networks, our website here where you can find access to all our social networks, cryptocurrency exchanges, just any tools and resources you would need. Instagram, you can come by and follow. Link is right over here. Then the link to our other social networks as well as Twitter. You can follow on here as well for great cryptocurrency content. Here over on TikTok, almost reaching the 100 follower mark. Here's where we post our crypto charts, crypto informed shorts for the day. You can swing by and follow. We would appreciate it. And then obviously our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys, click on the notification bell, subscribe if you haven't done so, just to stay on point. All our new, educational videos that we're going to be pumping out to make sure you guys can consume that quality content. So again, thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.